Let's go for a 4K POV ride on Tomorrowland's Wednesday People Mover. Let's go!
Lisa, there, G.
Step carefully onto the platform. Permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo.
Aimed at you.
Please step carefully onto the moving platform. Then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated throughout your journey.
Welcome to the Wedway People Mover rainy day trip.
Relax and enjoy your Grand Circle tour of Tomorrowland.
Now the Astro Orbiter is not working here in the rain. Hopefully it will open in a bit later when it dies down. The rain.
So keep your eyes peeled. You never know what you might see. Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. Outer space adventure and complete the cosmos.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel Progress. Inside this rotating theater, full families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission. I'm here to see you on our service.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser guns to save the entire galaxy. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution. Exit by stepping away from the car. Please keep your arms away from the doors.
Sir, you need to have your mask on. I'm sorry, I'm not wearing a mask. I refuse. Not wearing one.
I mean, what can you do, right?
Right.
Please keep your arms away from the doors.
Alright guys, here we did the People Mover in the rain. I'm hungry right now, so the stranger found we're going to get some tacos at Adventureland at Pecosville. We really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these POV adventures. And before we go, there's one thing I have to say, or at least this D has to say. What is that?
Don't forget to walk forward.
And have a great day.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.